Things I hate about the HVAC industry is just how it's become the service aspect has diminished over the years of nobody wants to fix anything, everybody wants to sell everything. You know, and don't get me wrong, there is a time and place where you need to replace the system. But I think a lot of times when we do second opinions on other companies that they're just trying to sell a new system, and that's watered down. That's not right.